Hi everyone, I'm Brooke Branch and I am a wellness advocate with doTERRA, possibly your wellness advocate. And along with Amy Moore, we run this group and we are doing more and more to support you and educate you with these oils and other natural solutions so that you are armed and dangerous to take care of your family naturally. It's so important to us. There have been over 80,000 chemicals introduced into the market in the last 100 years or so, and fewer than 200 have been tested even the slightest bit by any governing body, who shall remain nameless. So it's really dangerous out there. We have autoimmune issues popping up everywhere, cancer popping up everywhere, not to mention hormone disruption. So I feel like, and I know Amy and all our other team members would agree, that we can't afford to wait for any other governing body to care for our health. We need to take matters into our own hands and really feel empowered to care for our families naturally. And it's not just about the oils, it's about all these other amazing doTERRA products too that I feel like not everyone may know about. So just wanted to show you my box of goodies I got recently and unveil them all now for you and kind of explain a little about it, because with our loyalty rewards program, it's really a very cost-effective way to get your oils and other products, because you get a lot of stuff for free. There's so many perks in this program and it's very customizable, so however it works for you best with what you're purchasing each month, it works with whatever your budget is and whatever your needs are. So I get 30 points back, or 30% for every 100 I'm spending. And they're like frequent flyer miles that you can spend on lots of free products. So I'd say 80% of what I have in this box I got for free. And these are things that you'd have to buy at the store, and those aren't, in most cases, the natural version. So they have all kinds of chemicals in them. So it's all about detoxifying and reducing your toxic load and not having your body work so hard to flush out all those chemicals. Women put over 85 chemicals into their bodies before they even leave the house in the morning via their skin. So, all the makeup products and lotions and everything else. So really, it's something we don't think about because everyone does it, but I think people are getting more and more wise to the fact, thanks to doTERRA and other natural companies, to the fact that we can't really maintain this anymore. It's just our health is too important, the health of our family is too important. So without further ado, I'm just going to open this box up and show you what I have in here. So first is one of my favorites. We have a lot of On Guard products, which are naturally antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. On Guard is our oil as well that is for immune boosting in a big way. So we use that for everything, and there's so many On Guard products, like I said. So our laundry detergent is a great place to start because there's a lot of chemicals in laundry detergents. So an easy way to make over your laundry room and your laundry and not have chemicals on your clothes that are going on your family's skin. So that's that, and I got actually 2 of those for free. So I'll put that aside. Something else that I got for free is, which comes for free in our February special this month, is, which I'll tell you about at the end, but this is our On Guard foaming hand soap, which again is naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and so that when your kids are washing their hands with it, all the germs are going away naturally, and it's not dangerous like those fake antibacterial soaps that aren't even on the market anymore because of how dangerous they were. So incidentally, this is the foaming dispenser that you can purchase separately. It comes in a set if you buy it normally, but with the special this month, you would just need to add on your however many pumps you would need to your order, and you're all set. So that's that. It's so much fun. It's like I'm opening gifts because they are gifts. They are all free. So then we have our adaptive oil, which is great for anxiety and stress. So talk to us if you're having issues with this. Incidentally, if you have not talked to the person that signed you up, your wellness advocate, please get in touch with them because we are always wanting to talk to you, have an oil checkup anytime, kind of refresh your memory on how to use your existing oils and give you new ideas on things that you can use based on your family's health and wellness issues that are, what's going on right now. We are really excited to do that, and we will be reaching out to you as well. So again, Adaptive is a new one that came out in September. It comes in a capsule as well. I don't know that I have that in this box, but it comes in a capsule, and it blocks the stress receptors in the brain by increasing the GABA, which is a neurotransmitter in the brain, and it has chilled me out big time. I give them to my kids every day, and my son has not had any freakouts in school. For the longest period, he's gone probably like 5 months since he was in first grade. So I really attribute it to that. And it comes in a set with a roller bottle that you can bring along with you and put on your pulse points, the back of your neck, and even the web of your hand to kind of maintain your calm throughout the day if something big's going on. You can also take extra of the capsules throughout the day. There's a different formula in each one. So you would want to use both. Take the supplement in the morning and then maybe bring the roller bottle throughout the day, and you could even diffuse the adaptive oil throughout your home or work environment for a stress-free environment as well. So love that. What else do we have in here? We have a well-wrapped, how do I get it open? It's a bottle of frankincense, liquid gold. Amazing for skin, for the nervous system, for brain fog, for stress, and for immune support as well. So you probably have this at home if you have a doTERRA account. So reach out to us if you're needing help with how to use this, or we have lots of resources like Oil Camp and other things that we can hook you up with so you can learn more about it. So, what else do we have? On Guard, which comes free this month. So again, I'll let you know about that at the end, how you can get that for free. That's our immune boosting blend. Lavender, who doesn't need that, which incidentally is not, I've probably said incidentally 12 times, but anyway, the word of the day. Lavender is not just for calming and sleep, it is also great for skin. So I have a roller bottle with lavender and frankincense. Well, I use that for my moisturizer, both of those too, along with tea tree oil in my moisturizer. They're all good for skin. But lavender in and of itself, I have roller bottles throughout my whole upstairs with coconut oil and lavender, because my kids are always saying, I have a rash, I have a hangnail, I got cut, whatever. So it's amazing, and by morning, I swear it's gone, whatever the issue was. So that's that. Love this. We have a lot of spa products that most people may not know about. This is our body mist that smells like lemon lime type of smell. It's our beautiful scent, and it's a really great thing to use instead of baby oil, which I used to use, that has that fake chemical fragrance. You can use this with essential oils. It smells really good, great to use after the shower. So again, that's called Hydrating Body Mist. I also got for my boys this month for free, again, HD Clear, which is, I think part of this is wrapped up, but anyway, it's a facial lotion, and then also a foaming wash, and there's a roller bottle in here to put on afterwards with oils, all for acne. So if you have actually in the middle of pubescent boys, mine are 12, they have a lot of acne issues, so I've been putting tea tree oil on their face, but I'm also going to start using these products, which work really well for acne, all natural, so you don't have to worry about chemicals on your kids' faces, which a lot of those mainstream products have. A couple more things. This one is a body renewal serum that's yarrow palm. Yarrow is an amazing oil for skin, and it is I don't know if I can open this or not. Oh, of course it has a sticker on it, but anyway, it has, it's great for after the shower for your body. It's very thick. It has pomegranate seed oil and a bunch of other seed oils in it, and I can't say enough good things. People have been mentioning stuff about, my skin for a while now, and it's because of this as well. Actually, that one's for the body, and then there's one for the face, which is 10% off this month in February, depending on when you're watching this, February 2020. And then we have this one that has a dropper, and that is for the face. So I will show you that one because it is blue, like I'm talking Smurf blue. So I thought that was pretty cool that you rub it into your skin and then it disappears. So your skin will not look blue, but that's the yarrow in it. So that is really emollient, and it's the first winter that I haven't had to just keep using those water-based moisturizers over and over and over again. My husband calls them crack cream because I had this. So I literally only have to put this on like twice a day and all done. We also have a Yarrow Palm supplement now, which is for internal, internal use that helps your skin glow and be healthy from the inside out. So the three of those together have made a huge difference for me. And again, this facial serum is 10% off this month. So that's a great deal. I have the adaptive roller. We talked about the adaptive before. This is the roller that you can put on. Two of those, can never have too many of those. The On Guard hand sanitizer, sanitizing mist, which comes for, I have a bunch of other stuff in here, but I'm not gonna go over everything. Deep blue for pain and inflammation, that's amazing too. I recently paired up with a chiropractor in town who swears by this, along with our Copaiba oil, which is like CBD, only better. So ask us about that as well. So the special for February, if you spend at least $100, you get you get an On Guard roller. So it's already has our On Guard Immunity Blend plus fractionated coconut oil. And then you can rub it on yourself, on your pulse points, on your kids' feet, whatever, and it helps you stay healthy this winter season, which seems to be pretty bad as far as all these viruses and everything else that's going around. So you also get On Guard sanitizing mist, like I mentioned, so you can keep that in your purse. This one has my son's initials on it because that's what he takes to school usually. So you can just spray it in your hands, spray it on countertops, any surfaces that someone touches that's sick, and that is really awesome as well because Purell is really a no-no. So definitely, the chemicals in it are much worse than any antibacterial protection you would get, plus that is not natural antibacterial protection, that's chemical, and that means that you're actually killing off all the good bacteria too, and your body will actually be more prone to getting infections and things like that. You won't be protected. So, and then the other thing that you get, let me just be clear. So this one, the roller bottle, you get with a 100-point order, which is around $100. And then you, if you spend $200, you get On Guard On Guard oil, which you can put into the diffuser, you can make into roller bottles. There's so much you can do with this. And the sanitizing mist and the foaming soap refill, which again, you would need to buy this with it. Just the refill, it's like $2 or something, the actual pump bottle. And you get all of that for free. Plus, if you order on your loyalty rewards program by the 15th, you also get a bottle of Ravensara, which is a limited edition oil you can't get any other way, and it's great for respiratory support. It's actually in our Breathe oil blend. So I think I've talked enough. I just wanted to let you guys know all the free stuff you can get. And look, there's so much more stuff that I'm not even going over that's in my box that I got. And that's just 1 month's worth of stuff. And I've really made over my medicine cabinet, made over my personal care products, my cleaning products. You can just add some oil for pennies on the dollar to some water and maybe some vinegar. Clean your whole kitchen, clean your whole house. A lot cheaper than buying it. Although we do have some On Guard cleaner concentrate you can get too if you're not the DIY type, but you can't really get much easier than getting a spray bottle and adding water and oils to it. So I hope you learned something. Please reach out for your oil checkup with the person that signed you up. And we are always here to support you if you need help setting up your loyalty rewards order so you can start receiving free stuff. getting those bonus points like frequent flyer miles, let us know. And otherwise, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and be well, naturally. Bye.